The Multimac will fit in any car with a back seat. The Multimac is held in with tether straps, which mount directly to the car. The tether straps feed through ratchet adjusters in the Multimac. Supporting legs clamp down to the floor and can be altered using the screwed rod, depending on the seat height. In most cars, fitting the tether straps is simple if you are practically minded. However, we recommend using our fitting agents. They're located all over the UK. The tether straps are fitted to the existing seat belt buckle mounting points. The tether straps differ from car to car. ISO fixed points cannot be used. In the majority of cars, you'll find the buckles under the back seat, bolted to the floor. We replace the bolt with a Multimac eye-bolt. Please note, eye-bolts differ from car to car. Multimac use strength-approved eye-bolts specific to your car. Once the eye-bolts are fitted, we can mount the tether straps to them. Once attached, the Multimac straps are fed through the car's seats and placed facing forwards. Other car seat belts are held in on studs. In this case, we use our plated tether straps, as shown here. Alternatively, some cars' seat frames are constructed around a steel tube. This tube supports adult buckles, so it is strong enough for our tether straps. In some vehicles, mountings are not suitable. Special fittings need to be made by approved fitting agents. So, to conclude, all Multimacs are held in the car by 2 tether straps. The way the tethers are fixed depends on the car. You should have these fitted professionally, or by a competent mechanic. Once fitted, the Multimac can be quickly taken in and out of the car, or even swapped into another car, provided your model of Multimac fits and you have the correct fitting kit for that car. We provide the fitting kit for your car when you order your Multimac. If you change cars in the future, you can purchase a new fitting kit from our website.